So hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back on my YouTube channel Code by Harman. So today I'll discuss about three hiring opportunities. So first of all I'll discuss about here you can see associate engineer profile. Okay. After that I'll discuss about data science internship program. Okay. Then at the end I'll discuss about graduate engineer trainee program. Okay guys. So before discussing all of the three opportunity, you can see here guys, this is my channel. So if you didn't subscribe it yet, so please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. So this is my LinkedIn ID, so please follow me here. I'll provide the link in description box. Okay, you can follow me there. So guys, you can see here the location. Okay, location mentioned that here. Then this is the job, family engineering, and work type you can see here permanent. Okay guys, this is the job ID and pay rate type salary. Okay, read it. Then scroll down. You can see here description and requirements about the role. Okay, so read it carefully, each and every point. Okay, then you can see here what you will do. So company mentioned that perform day-to-day software integration activities to ensure compatibility and functionality between different systems. Okay guys. Then you can read here develop and maintain our CI/CD environment to automate build, test and deployment processes. Okay. Then now company mentioned that set up, configure, build pipelines for unit testing and more information company mentioned here, so read it carefully. And now I'll talk about what you need. Okay, you can see here bachelor degree in computer science or equivalent related field, so you should have a bachelor degree in CSIT field, then you can apply for this job. Okay, so if you are fresher, then you can apply for this job, and if you are 1 year of experience and 2 year of experience, then you can also apply for this job. Okay, now open to learning and improving your technical skills. Basic knowledge and technical understanding of continuous build systems. Okay. Version control system and configuration management. Okay. And you should have fluent English skills. Okay. Good communication abilities. Okay guys. And what is nice to have? So read it carefully. Okay. Then scroll down and you can apply from here. Okay guys. Here you can apply from here. Click on the apply icon and you can apply. So don't miss this opportunity. Apply now. Okay. This is the Gmail ID of company. So if you have any type of problem, any type of queries, so you can communicate to company via this Gmail. Okay guys. So I'll provide this link in description box. You can apply from there. Now I'll discuss about data science internship program. Okay. So this internship program for especially for 2025 batch student. Okay. So you can see here location Bengaluru, Karnataka, India data science internship on site. Okay. Work from office ही होने वाला है आपका, and you can apply for this internship. Apply for the job icon. Okay. Then you can read it here about Zeotap company. So read it carefully. Okay. All of these information that mentioned by company, and this is responsibilities. So read it. You will use machine learning, NLP, natural language processing, data mining and statistical techniques to develop innovation scalable solution for business problems. Okay guys, you will build scalable data pipelines for machine learning. You will conduct statistical analysis large amount of data. So read it carefully. Then requirement must have a degree in BE MTech with computer science background. Okay, so you should have BE MTech या फिर bachelor degree, and you should have master degree in which field? CSIT field. Okay, and this internship is mandatory 6 month internship starting from February 2025, and the ending date of this internship July 2025. Okay, so read it carefully. You should have taken at least one full term course in NLP or ML. Okay, so note this point. And you should have a strong problem solving ability and expertise in Python programming skills. So you should knowledge about Python programming languages, so you can apply this internship program. Don't miss this opportunity. If you are 2025 batch student, okay, so apply for this internship. Don't miss. You can apply here. Click on the apply for the job icon. Okay. Then now I'll discuss about graduate engineer trainee program. Okay, so you can see here location Bengaluru, Karnataka, company Molex. Okay, career field engineering. Okay, so what you will do? So read it carefully and apply for this role also. I'll provide the all of three links in description box. Okay, so you can apply from there. Click on over the link from description box. Okay guys, so that's all about today video. So if this video really helpful for you, so like this video, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Till then, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in next video.